How ChatGPT works, demystifying the magic behind artificial intelligence. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at what is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI. It's human-like responses to text-based inputs, such as question, how does ChatGPT work? The magic behind ChatGPT lies in its deep learning algorithms, which allow the model to learn and understand patterns, relationships, training the model. To train the model, OpenAI used a massive amount of data from the internet, including books, articles, and websites. The model was then fine-tuned on specific tasks, such as natural language processing. One of the key components of ChatGPT is natural language processing, which enables the model to understand the nuances and complexities of human language, including grammar-generating responses. When you input a prompt or question to ChatGPT, the model uses its trained algorithms to generate a response that's relevant and coherent based on the input it received. Limitations of ChatGPT. While ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it's important to remember that it has limitations. For example, the model can sometimes generate biased or inaccurate responses, especially if the input it received contains bias. And that's it for today's video. I hope this video helped demystify the magic behind artificial intelligence and ChatGPT. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or thoughts about